Yeah, they thought that you was a shy girl until I made you my girl. Girl, you pushed me like a big boy till I cuffed you like you did something. You ain't gotta wait for it. You ain't gotta wait for me to give you my love. You ain't gotta wait for it. Things are getting sticky, girl, I think that I'm stuck. I'll admit I'm wrong, but I know that you gon' come for me. Yeah.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we are at the final stretch, y'all. Today is literally the last video of the year. It's New Year's. Y'all already know. Well, it's not really New Year's. I'm filming this video like 2 days before New Year's, but y'all don't really know that. Well, I told y'all, so y'all will know that. Can y'all believe it? We made it through another 365 days. I've uploaded 56 videos and posted over 210 times on Instagram. Now, also, we gained, we here, because you know we here, gained over 400 B.O.M B Squad members. Can I get a hooty hoo? Because why? We are the realest squad on the internet. Why wouldn't you want to join the realest squad on the internet? So for today's video, we are going to do a New Year's Eve get ready with me, hair, makeup, and outfit that we just going to get dressed before New Year's, and hopefully we can recreate this look for New Year's. So we're going to start off with the hair. So I already have my hair washed and blow dried. The hairstyle that I'm going to do is, it's going to mimic my braid tutorial, except we're gonna make a bun. Okay, we're gonna create a bun, and we're gonna leave some little side pieces in. So I'm just going to add some Gots to Be freeze spray, and I'm gonna put this in my hand first. Now that we got the ponytail up, we're just going to take this jumbo braiding hair. This is Pink Salon hair, and it's in the color 1B. So I realized I got 2 different color hairs. It's okay. And they're like 2 different hair textures. Like this one versus this one. But they're the same hair. So like I said before, I do have a tutorial on how I do the braids, so definitely go check that out. So I'm just going to speed through this process all the way until we get to the bun. I know what you're thinking, like, girl, you didn't even show us anything. Y'all, this bun was a little bit harder than I expected. So all I basically did was braid this sucker and then twist it around, and now I'm bobby pinning it so that it is secured. This is what it looks like. I don't really know how I feel about it yet. We're gonna do the makeup. You know, when you do your makeup, it brings everything together. So I'm just gonna tie my scarf around my edges like this. And we are going to start the makeup, because y'all know that's the most important thing, because I don't really know how I feel about this hair yet. Okay, so I have my eyebrows on, my face primed, and my eyelids primed, because y'all know the deal. I got a whole 4-part series on how I do everything. So the first palette that I'm jumping into for the end of this year, as you can see, the Jaclyn Hill palette is my holy grail palette. Been using it since whenever I got it. So we're gonna tap into this color right here, and that is going to be our transition color. And we are going to just use our NYX Professional Makeup Brush in number 16. This is also my holy grail blending brush. So the next shade I'm hopping into is this shade right here, this chocolate brown shade. And this is just going to be a transition from the transition shade to the black. And I'm taking this on my R39 brush by Morphe. Also another holy grail brush. It's been doing the damn thing since, when did I get this brush? So now I'm taking the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Black Bean, and we're just going to use this as a base so the black can be super black. Jaclyn Hill palette. And this is the Vault collection, and this is in the Dark Magic. And I'm going to take this shade, Temptress, the black shade right here, and we are going to pop this all over the lid. So we're gonna add some glitter. As you can see, I'm looking like a raccoon, but you know it's okay, because we're gonna clean it on up. So I am going in with the NYX glitter glue first. It looks like this. Holy grail, holy grail. Everything I'm using in this video is a holy grail from when we started the year until now, since we're ending the year. And then I'm going in with the glitter, the NYX glitter in Violet. Okay, so we are going in with Gunmetal. And this is just a silvery black. It's so cute, so cute. And we're just gonna gently pat this in, because like I said, I don't want a lot of glitter. So I'm going to do the rest of my face off camera. Like I said before, I do have a whole playlist, so definitely go check that out. I'll leave that right here, but we'll be back to do the lip, highlight, blush, and lower lash line. So we have our face complete, and I put my eyelashes on as well. So now we're going to work on the lower lash line. So it's going to be real simple. I'm just going to go in with black liner and then smoke it out. So for highlight, I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and this is in the Carly by B.O.M.B palette. Actually, I'm going to go in with this shade. Okay, so for lips, we're just going to do a nude lip because we have a lot going on with the eyes. And I'm going in with the AJ Crimson B.O.M.B. This is just like a brown. And then I'm going to go in with Love Jones by AJ Crimson. And so this is it for the finished look. It's literally like 8 hours later. I literally just finished the photo shoot. My lips feel crusty, okay? So this is it for the finished look. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. If you are new to my channel, join the B.O.M.B Squad. It's the end of the year. Let that be my New Year's resolution. People joining the B.O.M Squad. Why? Why, you ask? Because we are the realest squad on the internet. Also, leave a comment in the comment box below if you enjoyed this video. But I look forward to seeing y'all in my next tutorial and in this new year. And Happy New Year. Bye, guys.